Hey, I'm going to show you what we're seeing on these neutral posture chairs. I'll send you information with the model numbers. It's a noise issue, again, from the control mechanism. Oh, hold on. Hear that click, and then also hear that. You hear that pop? I'm going to try it again. Pop, pop. Doesn't seem like that ought to be happening. Pop, pop, loud pop, and that, yeah, see, it's repeatable. The problem is we've got about 50 of these chairs and they're all doing it. So it's a problem. We'll be sending you information. That's it. Bye.